Same thing in the market. I can bet you, I can put $10,000 on a line and ask you to do 100 trades in a row, and I can guarantee you as a fact, it is impossible for you to lose money on every single trade. It's just impossible. The same thing comes from profitable trades. Doesn't matter who are you. You can be Michael Burry, you can be Warren Buffett, you can be George Soros, you can be anyone. It is impossible for you to have 100 trades in a row and all of them will make money. It's just impossible. So basically, it just comes to very simple thing. You have to make money on some of the trades and just avoid of doing mistakes. The more mistakes you will avoid to do, the more money you will make in the long run. I'm not saying that you will make money every single month. I'm not saying you will make money every single week. Sometimes we just stay out of the market and we just don't trade for 1 month, just so we would not have a negative month. So sometimes by doing nothing, we are actually improving our average efficiency. It's the same thing it's like in professional sports. It's like, let's say boxing, okay? If you look at Floyd Mayweather, the guy has never lost a fight, okay? Now a question, did he never lose a fight because he was fighting every single day and he took every single opponent that was out there? No, him and his team, they were very strategic about the fights that they were taking. I'm not saying that he's not a good fighter. He's arguably one of the best fighters in the world, but he was very strategic of which fights he would take at what time.
Yeah.
And
true.
That's why he has never lost.
True.
It would be impossible for him to have a match every month and he would still have the same record as he's holding now. It's just impossible.
True.
Same thing is in trading, exactly the same thing. That when you are trading for a certain amount of time, then you notice patterns. Even those patterns are never 100% correct, but you will notice, okay, the same thing happened last time and then market did this. And this has occurred already for, let's say, 10 times in a row. So obviously, you have higher chances that you would do the same thing, what happened last time, and market would go that way. But sometimes market changes. Sometimes there is a shift. Sometimes liquidity changes, especially now when there's new products in the market. So market is shifting. When there is something that you don't realize what could happen, it's 50-50. For us, we just stay out of the market. I can give you, for anyone who tell you, oh, we analyze based on AI technology or future pattern analysis, it's just nonsense. It doesn't exist. Nobody knows. Nobody knows what's gonna happen after that point. It could go for whatever it's worth. It could go to $5,000, or it can go exactly like last time to $1,000. It's anyone's guess. Same thing with cryptocurrency. Bitcoin could go to $500,000 or Bitcoin could go to $3,000. Your guess is just as good as mine by the moment when it hits above all-time high. When it's still in a range, there are many patterns that you can analyze. When any asset goes into completely uncharted territory, nobody actually can really analyze what's going to happen with it.